Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. Today we're learning how to turn on private number or no caller ID. So if you want to hide your number while making calls, this is the right video for you. Go ahead to open your settings or your iOS device, and all you have to do is to scroll down to this segment and locate your apps. So I'm going to click on my apps. I'm going to scroll down to locate my phone. So here is my phone here, or you can just search for it there in the search bar. Then go ahead to click here on phone. Then you're going to scroll down to locate what they call show my caller ID. So as you can see it here, show my caller ID. I'm going to click on show my caller ID. I'm going to wait for this to load. So this, it has to be on off to show your caller ID. So you have to switch off showing your caller ID to keep your phone on private number. So just turn this off and your phone is going to hide your caller ID. So this is how to off or turn off private number on your iPhone device.